I'm Mike with El Yucateco, and today I'm going to share my personal favorite dip recipe that's going to be perfect for your next party or gathering. Coming up right now. Now this is a simple recipe, so just follow along, and don't worry, I'll have all the exact ingredients down in the description box. I have here some softened cream cheese. To that, we're going to add your favorite taco seasoning, some diced jalapeno, and some El Yucateco Red. Now let's get this mixed up. Okay, that's mixed well. It's time to get this into a skillet. Okay, now that we've got that in the skillet spread out evenly, we're going to top that with some refried beans. Now we're going to top this with some nice, freshly shredded cheddar cheese. Now just for some color, character, and extra flavor, we're going to add a little bit more taco seasoning to the top of this, some more diced jalapeno, and some chopped green onion. Okay, now I'm not wearing this skull cap for no reason. It's cold outside, but we're going to do this outside on the pellet cooker. Get your coat on, let's get outside. Alright, we pulled this off the cooker. Time to taste. Oh man, I think this is going to be hot. Cheers, everybody. Alright, now I do not need to tell you how good that is. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Please like this video, comment below, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.